Did you know that snails have been around for over 100 million years? Well, there are over 40,000 species of snails in the world, which means that they make up 80% of all land-dwelling mollusks. Snails can be found on every continent on Earth, with the exception of Antarctica. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny, beautifully colored snails that live in the rainforest to the giant African land snail, which can grow to be almost a foot long. Snails are known for their slowness, but did you know that some species can actually move pretty fast? The fastest snail on record was clocked at a mind-boggling speed of 6 miles per hour. Snails are truly fascinating animals, and there is still so much that we don't know about them. So keep your eyes peeled and your mind open. You never know what you might learn about snails. And who knows, maybe you'll even see one of the rare, beautiful blue snails that are said to only appear once in 1,000 times. That's faster than most humans run. And did you know that snails can also fly? Well, not all snails, but the ones that can fly do it by hitching a ride on the backs of birds. The bird will pick up the snail and carry it to a new location where it will eventually fall off and continue its journey on foot. Some people believe that snails are a delicacy, and in many cultures around the world, snail meat is considered a gourmet food. Snails are typically served as an appetizer and are often prepared with garlic, butter and herbs. In some cases, snails are even served with champagne. While it may not be everyone's cup of tea, there's no denying that snails are a unique and interesting food. Snails are also known for their longevity. It is not uncommon for a snail to live for 10 years or longer. There has even been one recorded case of a snail living to be 230 years old. However, scientists believe that this was an anomaly and that most snails will only live for around 5 to 7 years. If you've ever been outside and seen a snail, you've probably noticed its slimy trail. But did you know that snails secrete a mucus that helps them to protect themselves from predators? The mucus also helps the snail to keep its body moist, which is essential for its survival. In fact, snails can absorb water through their skin, but only if the water is dechlorinated. This is why rainwater is essential to the survival of many land snails. If it rains, the snails can absorb water through their skin without any ill effects. So the next time you see a snail, take a moment to appreciate the amazing creature that it is. Thanks for watching. See you next time.